Pendiami ke channel Banwan Rak Kubor Berman Lakasmi.
It is possible that some of the candidates are here protesting. That's what you said. Okay, but you see, that's such a thing. I think where the institutional bodies as well, right? And they have made a statement. So I think if you are not happy with it, go to say a petition. This is a proper channel. You mean everyone can maybe like you know get an appointment. All that one which one needs I need it's quite peaceful. Come here. One minute and I'm just following order. I'm not empathy. So I know who's here. That is the first important. Like what happening in this. Dr. MCS MPS dia even against the ratio kay BTI people untuk kan about the ratio apa orang placement ada like 1 to 2.5 and that can change 1 to 1.5. How is that possible? You cannot change the game in the middle. Kata dia ke jimbatai ini lah Kina ban justify kata yang this we strongly feel that kadang kan nepotism and there is some high hand ini but isi kalau kita pocket but fulfill happy once kita itu kami the people in about candidates to apply kita nak balong kita ada victims of these cases